Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how I literally refresh my hair after waking up and everything. This is how I sleep with my bonnet on. And so I basically, let me just show you. This is gonna be a quick video, and this is a satin scrunchie. I just put it over just like that. So I heat my hair up and I go like this in the night. That's it, and I put my bonnet on. And that's how I protect my hair. Your bonnet should not be tight where you can't spin it like this, because you're just protecting your hair from drying out from the cotton pillow. You don't need to dry tight and cause tension to the back of your hair or the front part of your hair, because that can cause breakage and cause your hair to not have proper blood circulation for it to grow. And then you wonder why the back part of your hair is so short and it's not growing, because you've been suffocating it. Okay, so bear that in mind. Please be mindful of that. So take off my bonnet, take off my satin scrunchie, and my hair looks like it's a mess, right? Like it cannot survive. This is probably like day 8 of my braid out, but I'm gonna make it work just the same. Okay, get my growth oil, just quick oil on your fingers, on your, rub it all in, and I go like that. Then I shake, 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 back and forth, side to side, back and forth, side to side. And my hair is almost down, back and forth, side to side, side to side, back and forth. Okay, it's almost down. Then I pull downwards, and my braid out is almost down. And this is due for a refresh, but I'm not going anywhere really. I'm gonna refresh it soon when I'm going somewhere, but right now I'm at home, and this still can last and not look too crazy while I'm at home. So right here, I'm just showing you how I add the oil to my hair. If this was like, earlier or more fresh braid out, you'll definitely see how it would have been preserved. But I just wanted to show you the technique that I applied throughout my hair process throughout the braid out. So it's really beautiful. I'm just adding the oil all over my hair, and then I'm gonna show you how I basically stretch it later. So I decided to basically refresh my hair, just some sections at the front, because I was going to end the video, you know, just to show you how I preserve the braid out. But you just got a little bonus by me showing you how I refresh a few sections, and then you're going to see how I, you know, basically blow dry and fluff my hair. So that's going to be it. So guys, if you haven't like subscribe and like, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment down below. So this is the next day. So basically my hair is due for a redo. It's like day 8 of my braid out. So I decided to blow dry my hair, and look at the density of my hair. Like, y'all better not sleep on Alvera curls. Volume is everything, girl. This is what I use. I thought my blow dryer was not working because my cousin came to borrow it, and then I plugged it in, and then I realized it's working. And all I did is plug it in, and then you turn it on like so. You should have 1, 2, and now. This is my hair. So I got this blow dryer from Beauty Mart. Like, I thought it was so cute. Like, look at the color. It's so small and it's convenient. Like, I could put it in my handbag. It's so small and neat. So that's why I got it. But like, it gets the job done so well, and it's not hurting my wrist compared to other blow dryers that are so heavy and wide in width. So I thought it was it was very good. So that's why I got it. But then I started using it the very first day and it stopped working. I was like, oh my gosh. But then now I realize it's working. And so you can use a blow dryer to stretch your braid out. It's beautiful. I use it all the time. If you want to stretch your wash and goes and all the other styles, you can just use a blow dry. But like, I've been wearing my hair in the shrunken state, to be honest. So you weren't really getting to see my full length. Period. Like, my hair has gotten so much density since I started using my hair growth oil. Don't sleep on this. I wanted more density in my hair, and I'm shocked. My hair is full. See? My hair is full. It is full. It feels like I have on a wig right now, but it's actually my hair. See my scalp? See my scalp? See my scalp? My hair is full. It's got amla, brahmi, brain raj as main ingredients and top tier. Like, my hair has increased in density so much. I did not even know that it's gonna be this beautiful. It just happened because I just decided to blow dry my hair because I thought my blow dryer was not working compared to the other one I had. But look at this. This is a day 7 braid out because today is December 27 and I did my braid out on December 20. This is a day 7 here, and all I did was blow dry. Wow, don't sleep on this. Look how beautiful I am. Look at my hair. If you want full and thicker hair, you know, your hair's thinning out, you want fuller hair. So the hair growth oil that I use is definitely full of herbs, and it definitely helps your hair to be healthy and strong. And so yes guys, thank you guys for watching, and see you in another video.